What if your spouse is abusive and you're getting a divorce? What can you do? Tune in and attorney Joseph Marra will explain.
Going to the question that you asked about abuse, what will happen is the court will appoint an attorney for the child or children, number one, in these situations. Number two, they might order forensic evaluations. So you might have a court-appointed psychologist or psychiatrist do an evaluation of the children, of the individual parents. There was one case where, the mother was very bitter because basically the father, according to her, had drug and alcohol problems and wasn't really involved with the child much. And then later on, he kind of rehabilitated himself and now wanted to get back involved. And the mother's like, well, you haven't been around for a couple of years and we don't need you, And the father basically fought for his rights in that case. And once again, as I said, the court is what's in best interest of the child. And it was acknowledged that the father wasn't around, but now he wanted to be around. And even though the kids were paying lip service to mom saying, well, we really didn't want to see dad, the court kind of said, no, well, you're going to see dad. And the mom fought this, and really unnecessarily. Once again, since the father hadn't been around, he had to establish, well, what are your guidelines? What are you going to do? How do we know you're not involved in drugs and alcohol anymore? So he had a tough road to hoe, and that was up to him to prove that. But once he was able to prove that, then he was entitled to see his children because the court deemed it to be in the best interest of the children. So just don't, it is the type of thing, custody and visitation. You set those things early on, either it be in an initial agreement while the divorce is pending, and then it is finalized in your divorce decree and or your stipulation of settlement. But it can change, and circumstances change, and one party can always go back to court and, ask for a change.
Thank you so much, Joe, for that important information, and thank you, audience, for watching. If you yourself or someone you know may have questions on this topic, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone and call the law offices of Joseph Marra. They are professional, friendly, and really great at looking at the pros and cons of your situation, coming up with a fantastic strategy, and giving you some options. We look forward to hearing from you soon.